Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you very much for joining me here. I hope you're having a great day. We're going to take a quick look here at Matic, double check a few key factors, kind of see what's going on. We're going to draw some new fib levels and generally understand best practice for situations like this. What do we do next? And obviously try to get you some good insight and best scenarios here, best and worst case. Let's go with that here. So Matic backend data, we're going to pull this up. Oh, also, if you're new to the channel, please hit the like button. Even if you're not new, hit the like button. Really appreciate that. Help grow the channel, of course. Get us up to that 100K mark eventually. Furthermore, too, I do have a Trading Academy community and signals group. If you're interested, check that out. Link down below. This is here. Let's go Matic last 7 days and just double check a couple of things here. So heavy concentration at about 102 for liquidations. That's a very, very good sign for longs. Generally speaking, the price action will gravitate towards those key level resistances and sweep them. Okay, now again, is that level of resistance because it's liquidation? No, there's a lot of liquidation there because it's of generally a resistance, and we'll talk about that. In fact, I just drew out some trend lines here. There's a reason why this level keeps getting retested. It's a point of contention, and the likelihood of the price breaking through is fairly high. Again, just from a bird's eye view, we want to double check there's other things present as well, but generally speaking, Matic looking fairly strong there. We are getting rejected tentatively by the 50-day SMA here on at that that's at 0.236 fib level at $1 even. Now keep in mind, even numbers such as $1, $2, whatever the case is, they have a tendency of being very like psychological situations, if you will, or an area in which people feel is like a point of a round number. So the easy way to understand it is round numbers are generally something you want to avoid putting your stop loss or take profit targets in, or trying to get filled at those round numbers, because it won't happen. Again, what I'm getting at is this is a psychological resistance at $1, and the easy way to understand it is that might continue until it doesn't. We've got a strong, and get this, we have the most amount of volume at 99.50, or basically $1 even. Okay, there's a reason why that $1 mark is such a big deal. So breaking above that would be huge. I think that's a very important thing. We're below 50 on the RSI here. Money flow index kind of going sideways. Stochastic's trying to swing down. So this daily time frame isn't like phenomenal. But the truth is, it never truly will be phenomenal until we break back up above a lot of moving factors or moving averages, and it's going to take days. Okay, all right. Well, let's clarify here, because I feel like the hourly and the 4-hour time frame are much more convincing for potential play out scenarios. Okay, so we're underneath most moving averages. We're back up over the 20. Does being above the 20 mean we just go hard and long on a position? No, it just implies that we're sort of shifting gears. We can also see we're testing 50 in the RSI here with money flow index above the price action. I'd love to see MFI higher than the RSI. That's a great sign. Stochastic is swinging up. We got a MACD convergence, still converging effectively, never truly diverge. So this coin is looking better than most coins, where it didn't pull back quite as hard as a lot of other coins did when Bitcoin corrected itself yesterday. Okay, so I'd like to see that. That's a very good sign. And you can also see here too that the more recent low is effectively a previous high. So this channel, or this range that we saw the price action in last, is a very strong. That's a very strong supporting factor for us. Okay, so all these things combined together, does that mean that the price is going to break out? No, it just implies getting above 50 on the RSI, concurrent with breaking above that $1 mark, is a pretty big deal. I think that's important. So if we take a look at the hourly, we can confirm here as well that the Ichimoku cloud gives us 4 hours of confirmation above the cloud. That's perfect. That's exactly what I like to look for taking a long position. Conversion lines above the baseline, lagging spans free and clear. So honestly, even though we haven't truly broken bullish on 4-hour time frame and or the daily, this hourly confirming factor that I like to use, concurrent with the fact that we broke our most recent trend line and retested it, leads me to believe that the new bottom is this 96.9, or just say round number 97 cents. And that once we break above $1, we're going to probably see the price continue to push further. And once again, we got to get above this 101, but solid chance the price continues higher from here. Okay. So again, looking pretty solid there in that sense, especially all this combined. Look at the amount of liquidation at 102 to 105. That's pretty solid motivation for a lot of whales. So hypothetically, take an entry now, and you take some profit at about 102 to 105. That's a good 15, 20% depending on the leverage you're using, okay? Or just in general, 2 to 5% as a rough estimate. So I do feel like we're going to see some continuation here. The price does end up pulling back. Solid chance we get a support level at about 97 cents. So maybe even considering a second entry at about 97, just to get an average good fill there in case it comes back down. So all in all, Matic looking pretty strong here, folks. we're really, really close to greatness here. So if you want to wait for confirmation, by all means, go ahead. If you take a look here at T sequential, you got to recognize too, we came up to a 9. It's pulling back naturally. The price could continue to retrace. We also want to take a quick peek over here at Bitcoin too, because it's actually consolidating at resistance right now. And if it continues to break out, we will see some legs up here from some other alts. So anyways, Matic has my thumbs up for mostly confirming factors. Is this 100% guarantee? No, but it's a larger statistical probability based on the overall conditions that are here so far. I hope this made sense and I described it correctly. Please again, like, subscribe, and follow if you haven't already. Deeply appreciate that. If you want to join us over at Bitunix, link down below. No KYC or VPN required. Awesome benefit rewards if you use my link. And just a great exchange altogether. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourself a great rest of your day. We'll see you soon. Take care.